Welcome aboard Virgin Voyages.
You guys, we are going on a cruise today. This is Marcus and I's first cruise as a married couple. I have been on a cruise before. Marcus has never been on a cruise before. We are currently in Miami, so looking out to, what stadium is that? The Dolphins or something?
I have no idea.
Right? I think it's the Dolphins Stadium. This is so exciting because it's his first cruise and it is an adults only cruise. We don't have any kids and we like it's fun to see kids at a kiddie pool and stuff like that, but I am excited to be at an adults only show. The cocktails I've heard are amazing. So we're leaving out of the Miami port and we'll be going to the Dominican Republic and to the Bahamas. We were thinking that we would do a week at Atlantis in the Bahamas, but the reviews are saying that like it's outdated. I went to Atlantis, but like 14 years ago, I think. Has it been 14 years? 13 years? It's been a while. So the cruise, it's all inclusive. You can get like pay for premium drinks and then the tipping's included. So we canceled Atlantis and now we're still going to the Bahamas on this cruise, but it is 6 days long and you're coming with me. Okay, so you guys, we Ubered from the hotel and now we're at the cruise ship. We're about to check in. The Uber was 20 minutes from the airport, super fast. And we've got the Royal Caribbean right next to us, which looks ginormous. Like it's making this Virgin ship look so small. We already have our room assigned. I think it got assigned when we booked and it's one of these outside ones. They give you an option to upgrade, but honestly for a cruise ship, having a balcony is like the cream of the crop. While we were boarding, they were shouting, dancing, the music was going. They had the vibes so perfect for greeting us. I love greeting passengers and being like, welcome aboard. And they were just giving the same energy. I loved it. They're full on embracing the nautical like theme. Everything has been themed. Oh, the windows are opening up automatically. Cute. We are in the center of the ship, so hopefully that helps with nausea. This is so sick. Look outside. Oh my gosh. If I'm strong enough. Whoa. Look at that. Wow. There's no chance I am going on that swing outside while we're out to sea. No way. First thing on our agenda is to go get some spa bookings. I'm so excited. This room is so cute. And if you've ever been on a cruise ship, this is honestly ginormous. And I think it was the base. Like, I'm not totally sure, but I think I might have paid extra for like locations, but ooh, and we have not the worst lighting. Love it. Marcus, better not make this place smell. Feels like Europe with the shower. Oh wait, it has double. That's lovely. 2, we love that. I got a iced coffee or an iced Americano with a shot of Bailey's and we booked at the spa. So we'll just be doing like the sauna, the jacuzzi, and because their like actual massages were $300 and I never spent that much on a massage. Okay, the mission of today has been, why is it so loud? Okay, we have finished everything we needed to today. We got in at the spa and then we also did all of our reservations downstairs. It's called like Razzle Dazzle and they book you in every night and we did brunch for tomorrow morning. We have 2 brunches that are gonna happen. And you can't eat at a restaurant more than once, which is weird, but whatever. We'll let you know which one is our favorite. We just had our bags delivered, but mine is missing.
Looks like you've been wearing that for the last 4 days.
I'm sure you wouldn't mind me wearing this for the next 4 days. No, I think it's because I have like mini bottles of like tequila in my bag and I forgot. Sometimes I just like to, you know, in case I want a little chaser on a holiday, I keep those in there. And my mistake. Whoops.
Welcome aboard Virgin Voyages. Now, I've got some important safety information.
Okay, the biggest problem that people usually have with cruises is that set menus, everything's buffet style, not the best quality of food. So tonight we are headed to a steak restaurant on the ship. Let's hope it's good. I will report back to you guys whether, you know, the ship has good food or not. I had a Greek salad for lunch and it was good, but it wasn't like, it's a Greek salad, like that's easy to make, but like she's tough when it comes to her steaks. So funny. Hi.
Hey, how's it going?
Funny situation. We booked during departure, so everyone's up on the deck like having champagne and we're down here having our dinner. But it's really nice. And hopefully we have kind of a view, maybe. These could be the views. Like it's really nice. We have options. I think we're gonna do the filet. So, Marcus is getting regular bread. They have a garlic and herb butter, and I got gluten-free bread. So, yay. I can feel the engines started. We've been sitting here for over an hour since we were supposed to leave, and I was like, babe, we're never leaving. And I think we're leaving now. But we're halfway through with our steaks. And tonight we're going to a comedy show.
Or trivia.
Or trivia. Marcus and I are the worst at making friends. Could you imagine if we went to trivia? We'd both be shizzing ourselves. Like, do we have to talk to people? But panna cotta, and it's gluten-free. So I am making a TikTok of all the gluten-free things you can eat on this ship. And pomegranate. Oh, wow. Like, don't say de leche, but vanilla. I was just walking into the men's bathroom and Marcus was like, stop it, this is the men's. And back to the women's. Okay, he lets me do very embarrassing things all the time, but you a little bit mad at me for being so dumb.
That what?
Walking into the men's bathroom.
Oh yeah, that was
Fun little game area. I also try to walk into the kitchen. And we have disembarked, as people would say, bon voyage!
The next day.
Okay, we just got back from like the Korean barbecue and let me tell you, apparently people were watching YouTube videos before this and they thought the whole ship was vegetarian. No, every place has had multiple meat, vegetarian, vegan, gluten-free options. They have had it all. So don't let food deter you from this cruise ship, and I'm not speaking on behalf of this cruise ship, but I don't know if you're watching my video for the sake of this cruise ship, the food. They have it all, if you need it all. We sat at dinner with like two other couples. It was the son and his mom, and then another older couple, and we took shots, and it was crazy. It was fun. It was a great time. So it was like group dining, but the food was good. I had some like I had pork belly. Yeah. Pork belly, shrimp. The food was good. And tonight we are going to go to the Mexican restaurant, and there's like partying at the Mexican restaurant, so we're gonna go to that. We just pulled up to the Dominican Republic, Puerto Plata. Are we still moving? We have yet to dock. Explore. Oh, I forgot. I usually let you guys sit out here for like 15 minutes, but we're just gonna be vlogging because we don't got time for that. If you let your camera adjust, for a few minutes, then this will go away. I did not. My camera's freezing. But we've been apparently cruising with the same ship. Joe at midnight did not consider JoJo this morning while she was taking shots at the bar, because now she's very tired and we are going out. We're going out on on quads or four-wheelers, whatever you want to call them, razors, and then we're jumping out off of waterfalls. Let's hope no one gets injured, because I would die. I would be so sad if someone got injured. This is our fear. We never do anything adventurous because we don't want to get injured, but we figured it's Marcus's birthday, we're gonna go crazy. All right, dinner at the Italian restaurant was phenomenal. They had this like truffle gnocchi, but I got it gluten-free. Oh, it was a dream. And then we walked around all the different locations, and there were parties in each different room. It was really fun. Now we're gonna go up to the pool because it's like their Scarlete lady night and it's a swim party, so everyone gets dressed up. We're currently dressed up, but now it's the swim party. Okay, so a lot of people say the pull for a Virgin cruise is the fact that it's 18 and older, and that is exactly why, because it's been going off like that every night since we've been on the ship. So, all right, this is my outfit today. We are hanging out on the boat all day because it's an at-sea day, so, you know.
Let's go to brunch.
Let's do it. And they make you reserve like your time slot for when you leave, so we did that, 10:15. Okay, it is time for some brunch. Is it open? Yay! We heard this was vegetarian. In fact, it is not. Okay, they came with coffees and waters, and then it's crazy. They always give you so many options, plus sides. Okay, so they have mostly vegetarian, but they have like a naughty section, and that is the stuff that actually has meat. And then they're bringing me a banana muffin, which I absolutely don't need.
It's a croissant with jalapenos inside.
Oh, that's disgusting. Is it good?
It's fun.
We were saying how everything has just tasted really good. And here's my gluten-free salmon bowl. Okay, right next to us, right here, we had a ton of travel agents, and that's all we've met pretty much on this cruise, which is really fun. Travel agents, like booking all of your excursions, your hotels, your flights, stress-free. So learning about that, what that could be like, and yeah, so very fun. They sound like they have a stressful life, and I just show you guys all the locations and the good time without it being stressful, and you can just take note. I'm gonna pee my pants right now. We had so many mimosas. Okay, so got this. And that's because today is a ship day, so we're going out to the pool, and then tomorrow is the Bahamas, and we plan on, hopefully if it doesn't rain, just being out in the water in some sunbeds. And we didn't bring any sunscreen because I'm going to New York, and that's my room. I was more concerned about my winter coat than I was about sunscreen. Marcus and I are laughing so hard because right before we bought that glow sunscreen, some like older man, probably in his 80s, just walks up to Marcus. He's with his wife, who's also checking out, and he goes, whatever she wants, just get it. It is not worth the fight, which, I mean, it's sunscreen. It was $40. 400% more than what sunscreen should cost, but this man understood the assignment. Marcus and I are trying to get a seat. I don't think we will ever get a seat. It's too late. It's 11 a.m. You all know. Let's pull up a chair. Excuse the messy room. You all know I'm one to get ready, but like, we were in Vegas last week, and now we're here on this cruise ship, and I've been getting ready every single night I'm just done. So we went to the sauna. Like, you can buy a pass to the spa for the whole time. That's us treating ourselves, is going into a sauna, and they have ice baths. So we have been doing that every day, is going down to the spa, and instead of doing the spa services that were like very expensive, we just did $200 each, and we have had access to the spa the whole time. So that's been really nice. But we went to the sauna and into the pool, and this is my hair. It's all sweaty and gross and disgusting, and I don't care. I cannot be bothered tonight. Welcome to the Bahamas, Marcus. Trying to relax. His first time Bahamas. It's really fun. And it is clear blue waters. Looks good. Okay, we couldn't get off of the boat for a while because they didn't get approved, but we're headed out now, and I'm wearing this cute little outfit with my bathing suit underneath. And this is the Bimini Islands. I don't know, some Bimini Island next to the Bahamas, so it's not actually like Nassau, Bahamas, Atlantis situation, but the beaches will be pretty. Hopefully it's not nearly as windy as when we got off the boat, because it was insane. This is their little beach area. This is so funny. So Marcus and I have these like pineapple clips. You'll see them on the back of this person's chair. They clip their towel so it doesn't do that. So I had bought some off of Amazon, and I'm telling Marcus just now, like, oh, I cannot believe we didn't bring those. That was so dumb. And he's like, no, then people would think that we're swingers, because like that's the epitome of going on a cruise, is the upside down pineapples on your door. So I'm glad he thought about it, and I didn't just bring some pineapple clips onto our chairs for the pool party. All right, we are going out for dinner right now. We had a great time in Bimini, blah, 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 you know, and it started raining, so we came back, and the best thing about this cruise is that I've slept every day for like 3 hours a day, so I have truly appreciated that. So I just enjoyed my holiday, okay? And usually we go on like adventurous holidays. This outfit, can we talk about it for a minute? Marcus bought it for me while we were in Australia, and I absolutely busted the top as soon as I put it on. Like, the zipper in the back immediately came undone, and I had to take it to a seamstress. And then we went to Vegas. He was like, please wear it since you got it like fixed. I forgot it, so I'm wearing it tonight. I think it's like very extra for a cruise ship, so I'm not wearing heels. I'm just wearing like these flat situation, and then the skirt like cuts up very high. And we're going to the Mexican restaurant, which is our favorite. I am glad that we are saving best for last. Also with the dressing attire here, I think like anything goes. You get people that are dressing up, having a great time, and then you have your cruising people that just don't care. So whatever category you fall in to, have a great time.